What up? Quick little testimonial, real quick. Today's testimony is about not taking things for face value. A lot of times we take things for how we interpret them, but it's not always the correct way of seeing things. And my testimonial has to deal with, one of my trucks broke down yesterday, and I was talking to the mechanic shop, and they were like, yo, we can't find this part. We won't be able to get it until next Tuesday or Wednesday. Labor Day's Monday, so of course things are a little delayed, but they said Tuesday or Wednesday. Now that means my truck is going to be broken down from yesterday until next Wednesday, Thursday. No bueno. We talking about a whole lot of change missing, you know what I mean? So it's in my best interest to find a way to get this truck up and running. By the way, my truck's in Ohio. My truck's on the border of West Virginia and Ohio. It's not up the street. It's not in Raleigh. It's not around the corner. But I told the mechanic, I said, yo, if I can get the part, find it, and bring it up there tonight, will you install it tomorrow? They're like, shit, if you get here, we'll leave somebody at the shop, and they'll start working on it tonight in the early hours of the morning. They'll get that bad baby knocked out. I said, cool. So the reason why we got here is because they couldn't locate the part, and then they also, on top of that, they told me that the part was going to cost me $5,800. I was like, $5,800? Hell no, I can't pay that. So we got to do something a little different, right? So I called the part center here in Raleigh. They was like, yo, we can get that joint for you for $4,000 flat. $4,000. What did I just save? $1,800. Bing. Loving it, right? After figuring that out, knowing that I was going to save $1,800, I'm like, all right, cool. I'm thinking all I needed to spend was this $4,400 in parts. Now I'm asking, well, how much is my bill so far? Because they had to tow my truck, they had to tow the trailer, and when I asked them how much my bill is currently at, they said, yo, your bill is currently at $5,600. I'm like, how the hell did I get the $5,600 if I'm buying a $4,000 part? They was like, yo, there's another part that you needed that costs $3,400. I'm like, oh, wait. Okay, all right. So I said, y'all broke down the truck already, right? It was like, yeah, we broke the truck down. I said, but y'all haven't put any parts back on yet, right? They was like, nah, we haven't put any of the parts back on. I was like, cool. Don't put any parts on. Let me check and see if I can find that other part that's $3,400 here in Raleigh as well. They said, all right, cool. Thank God they're cool mechanics. It's a Christian-based mechanic shop up in West Virginia, and so or Ohio, in that area somewhere. And so when I called to check on the second part was only $1,800. So now I'm saving $1,400. So I done messed around, and I'm at the point where I'm saving $1,800 plus $1,400. That's $3,200 that I get to save. So then I was like, well, how the hell am I going to get this part up there? Thank God I have this great assistant that's looking to make a little extra change on the side. It's a 6-hour ride to Ohio to where the spot is. And I called him. I'm like, yo, I'm going to shoot you $400, dog. $200 each way. All I need you to do is take a 6-hour ride. I'm paying for your hotel when you get there, and I'm paying for all your gas. $200 is yours just to drive. He like, I'm game. Let's do it. He took that joint. He's on his way up there now. So earlier today, I'm heartbroken and thinking like, yo, I'm spending so much money. But I found peace in the fact that I was able, not only, number one, that I had the bread to fix it, but number two, that I was able to use my hustler spirit to save $2,800. And the purpose of me telling y'all this is that sometimes you're gonna get in situations where, unexpected emergencies happen. You know what I mean? And you gotta drop the bag to get up out that joint. You gotta do things to get up out of it. And one of the things that I'm telling you is that don't take things for face value. Just because somebody says you're in this situation doesn't really mean you're in that situation. It's on you, the king, the God that's in you, to find a way out. You know what I mean? To find a better path forward. And that's what I essentially did, and that's what I want to encourage you guys to do moving forward, is that when people tell you some bad news, something you don't want to hear, don't take it for face value. Take it and find a way to navigate through so that it works in your benefit. Hope this helps you. Little billionaire tip. We doing trucks, we doing barbershops, we doing haircuts, we doing real estate, we doing it all, but we doing it all for you. Love y'all. Have a good day. Enjoy y'all weekend. Much blessings. Peace.